Hello, Catherine from Double Kidney here. Welcome to this new workout video. And if you're here, it's because you know exercising regularly is the best thing you can do to lower your blood pressure, to improve your blood sugar levels, and to improve your heart health. And most importantly, to help your kidneys. This is why I've teamed up with a personal trainer to create this very easy workout program. So let's start immediately. I'm already warming up. You can do the same. Hands out. This is a workout anyone can do. You don't need any equipment. And this is also going to be knee friendly, no jumping or other impact exercises involved. What we're going to do is 40 seconds of exercise followed by 20 seconds of rest. There's going to be 5 moves in total, repeated 3 times. This is a 15 minutes full body workout to lower your creatinine levels, and you can use a couple of small water bottles if this workout is too easy for you. But you can also do it without bottles. It's really easy. Just follow me. Are you ready? Okay, 1. So let's start with some step jacks. This is an easy one. Just step laterally and raise your arms above your head. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. We can start slowly with this one, okay? It will also help us warm a little bit. And right and left, and right and left. Remember to talk to your doctor before starting a new training program if you have kidney disease, heart disease, or other conditions. All right? This is very important. And right and left. Very good. Do it for your heart health and your kidneys. Right and left. 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop. There are 20 seconds of rest now. 2. Next exercise is another easy one, the staggered chest press. Okay, right leg forward, hands up, press forward with the left and while pointing with the thumb. Like this, okay? 3, 2, 1. Press forward while pointing with the thumb, and then we're going to pull back. It's very similar to a punch. So press and back. Press and back again. Press and back. Press and back again. Press and back. Okay, time to change stance. Left leg forward. Let's press with the right hand. Forward and back. If this feels too easy, try going a little bit faster or using the bottles. Okay, 2, 1. Okay, next exercise is the standing knee lift. From a standing position, raise your arms and then lower them to touch your knee. Okay, like this. Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1. Left and right. This is great for your delts, your legs, and your back too. Remember to extend your back all the way up when you raise your arms. Now, if this is too hard, just raise your knee while standing. Okay? Like this. Okay. Okay. 20 seconds of rest now. Next exercise, the shallow squat. Start with your legs shoulder apart and we go with your body and arms. So, like this, okay? 3, 2, 1, and start. You don't really have to go right down. It's more a half squat. Down and up. Just move your arms and your body. Like this. This exercise is great to tone up your legs and to stretch your arms and your back. Again, move at speed you're more comfortable with. Okay? Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and stop. Okay, catch your breath now. Here comes a hard one. Number 5, side lunges now. Two, one, and go. This exercise targets the arms, core, and posture. This is going to help us increase strength and flexibility. Notice the other leg is straight. I'm just using my quads, my hamstrings, and my glutes here. And back. On the other side, and back. And back. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, next one. From the beginning, step jacks. From a standing position, step laterally and raise your arms above your head. This time, I'm gonna use some water bottles as weights. Okay, this is optional, alright? It's a way to make this workout a little bit more intense. And go, left and right. With the bottles, this one will also target your delts. And I'm starting to feel the blood going around a little bit faster. Do you know that exercising is the fastest way to lower your bad cholesterol levels? Imagine your blood carrying out all that cholesterol right now. Okay, right, left, and right. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, it's time to drink some water now. You know, staying hydrated is a great way to improve your kidney health. Okay, next exercise, the staggered chest press. Right leg forward, hands up, press forward with the left hand and while pointing with the thumb. 2, 1, and press forward while pointing with the thumb and then go back. Press forward and go back. Press and go back. You know, this is good also for the delts. And I can feel it with my shoulder. The other side. Press and go back. Press and go back. Press and go back. Press and go back. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Okay, stop. 20 seconds now. Okay, next exercise is the standing knee lift. From a standing position, raise your arms and then lower them to touch your knee. Okay? So let's start in 3, 2, 1, and start. Right. This one is going to make the heart go a little bit faster. But this is also great for your delts, your legs, and your back too. Remember to extend your back all the way up when you raise your arms. Left and right. And don't worry if you're going slow. Remember, work out your own pace. It doesn't matter how slow you're moving, you're still lapping everybody's sitting on the couch. Okay, left and right. 2, 1, and stop. Okay, next exercise, the shallow squat. Start with the legs shoulder apart and then we go up with our body and arms and down. Okay? It's very, very easy. Okay. Okay. 2, 1. Up and down. Exercising like this is the only thing in the world that can make your blood pressure go down even when pills can't. Up and down. Up and down. Do it for your heart health. Up and down. Very good. Okay. Up and down. Okay, catch your breath. Side lunge now. This is a lunge to the side. Okay? Let's start in 3, 2, 1, and go. Remember to keep your abs nice and tight, alright? And don't point the feet outside. Try to keep them pointing forward. This exercise is great for the posture and delts and your back. Okay, remember to only go down as much as you feel comfortable with. Okay? And down, the other side, right, and up, down, up. Okay, 1, and stop. Very good. Okay, we're down to the last 5 now. Next one is step jacks. From a standing position, step laterally and raise your arms above your head. Okay, start in 3, 2, 1, and left and right. Left and right. Remember, exercising doesn't have to be hard or strenuous, just regular. Right and left. 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 Right, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, next exercise, the staggered chest press. Okay, right leg forward, hands up, press forward with the left hand while pointing with the thumb. Okay, let's start. Okay, 2, 1, press forward while pointing with the thumb, and then we're going to pull back. And then after, press and forward, press and back, press and back, press and back. Okay, the other side. Left leg forward, let's punch with the right arm. Press forward and back, press and back, press and back, press and back. Do it for your kidneys. 2, 1, and stop. Okay, next exercise is the standing knee lift. From a standing position, raise your arms and then lower them to touch your knee. Okay, it's really easy. Okay, we're almost done, guys. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, and left leg, right leg. Remember to extend your back all the way up when you raise your arms. Right and leg. Don't worry if you're going too slow. Remember, work out your own pace. Right and left. 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 Right. 2, 1, and done. Okay, next exercise, the shallow squat. Start with the legs shoulder apart, and we go up with our body and arms. Okay. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, down and up. Very easy, you see? Remember to always move at your pace. Remember to always move at the pace you're comfortable with, okay? And up and down. Up and down. We're almost done. Up and down. 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 1 and stop. catch your breath. Side lunges now. Hands on my hips and lunge to the side. Okay, we're almost done, guys. You can do it. Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1, and down. Remember to keep your abs nice and tight and your feet pointing forward. Okay, right and left. We're almost done, guys. You can do it. You can make it. This is great for your kidneys' health. Whew. We're almost done. Right and left and right and left. 1. Whew. We're done, guys. Whew. Oh my goodness. Phew. Okay, let me sit. Where is my ball? Oh, there it is. Okay, guys. Oh, here we go. Another workout done. Another step in the right direction. So, congratulations. Now, let's wait for that endorphin rush to come. Isn't the best feeling in the world knowing that you did something really good for your health? For the health of your kidneys too. And that it was also very, very funny. And believe me when I say that exercising coupled with a healthy diet is the only thing that really works. So it's really great that you guys took the time to do this with me today. Remember that it's never too late to start caring for your own health. This full body aerobic workout is really great to keep the whole cardiovascular system in shape. And as usual, let me know if this pace is right for you or if you think my workouts are too heavy or maybe too easy. Let me know in comment section. I'm also planning to upload a workout you can do while sitting on a chair. Very useful, especially for seniors and for people with limited mobility. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more coming. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.